Yeah, it's amazing what a children's book can do with conversation, isn't it? So now, vote, okay? Vote with it. So here's the deal. Step back. So now, step back with me so that everybody can be on the same page. And I want everybody, where'd she go? There she is. All right, so we're going to vote. This is going to be a yes, and this is going to be a no. Okay? This is a yes, this is a no. Well, I'm not going to be voting about the story. Okay? Here's when I'm going to ask the question. So go ahead and get your thumb vote out there. Don't look to your left or your right and try to figure out what are they going to do. I want this to come from your head and your heart. When is the all of our meetings are this passionate about what we do in the conversation? Vote. Ready, set, go. All of our meetings are this passionate when it comes to discussing what we do. Interesting. Okay. Okay, shake it off. Do you want all your meetings to be this passionate when it comes to doing communicating with you for clarity? Wow. Okay. So there's a good outcome for you. If everybody's wanting this type of communication to be open, honest, and transparent, this is what we call vulnerable trust. There's one thing about trust. Trust always goes out. But in order to have vulnerable trust, you have to really step out there and be willing to do it, right? And, and it's hard for people to say, I want to own up to my mistakes. I want to own up to asking for help if I don't understand the answer. I want to own up to basically giving somebody good feedback and say, good job. How often we even do that, But to build up that trust, to be vulnerable, trust to step out there. Okay, it takes good conversation. So give somebody to your left and your right a high five. Say, good conversation. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to borrow that table again. I'm actually going to come over here, and I'm going to need to push everything out in the corner because we're going to break dance, right?
We don't need this anymore, right?
No, we can stack it together. Oh, thank you. Here, I'll help you out. All right. We're going to try to go to the open center of the room. Yeah, we're going to go right here.
You just want these against
Against the wall. Yeah, that'll work. 18 foot. Three, 9. Very nice. Find a partner your height. All right. Could you spread that around? Come grab the rope. Get really tight. Come grab the rope. Everybody. And we're going to put the rope center of the table.
Oh, y'all come this way.
So we're going to come this way.
What if we have an odd number of people?
It happens.
Okay.
Yeah, people can be odd. All right, so we're just going to try to make it as pretty as we can, make the circle as pretty as we can, and then we're going to just set it down on the floor. Yes, please. Now, okay, who is the one that does not have a partner? Bless your heart. All right. As we say in this house. All right. So, okay. Does everybody not have a? Is there anybody that doesn't have a partner?
Yeah, she doesn't.
She doesn't. Okay. I just want to make sure because somebody just may not be saying anything. They just. Okay. So you're going to have a different role here in just a second. Okay. Everybody else, we're going to play what's called a Bugliri. I don't know if everybody's familiar with one. Has anybody heard the term Bugliri before? Say it again. Bugliri. B-E-G-L-E-R-I. How many of you have heard the term fidget toy? Okay, so you've heard of spinners, right? This is actually the European version, and actually goes back to like BC, like during the Greek times. So these were fashionable beads that people would walk around. You know, they would actually just hold on to as fashionable beads. They would play with them. They would fidget with them. And they are used today as fidget toys for those that can actually just sit there and do something with them. But because they're beads, they're not used that often because, you know, kids can hit other kids with them, that kind of thing. But as far as teenagers, they're good with teenagers. And matter of fact, if you go to YouTube and do finger yo-yo tricks, you will see kids actually twirl them around like little batons, throwing them up in the air, going behind their back, doing something with your fingers and going back and forth. So that actually become pretty cool little toys. Now, for you all, we're going to do something just a little bit different. Okay? Between you and your partner, you're going to be sharing a bead. Okay? And then together, you and your partner, you're going to come, and then we're going to place, who's your partner? Is that your partner? Okay, there you go. And then together, you need to place it on that platform and keep it balanced where that platform does not touch the table. Ready, set, go.
Are we laying it flat across?
No, actually, good question. It needs to stand up just like that. Okay? Interesting.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay. Fantastic. Now everybody gets one. So, you and your partner, one at a time, come up, with the exception of you two. You get the short stick. All right, go ahead. Jump in there. Keep it balanced. Keep it balanced. Perfect.
Slightly slanted towards me, just FYI.
Anticipation. Okay. Fantastic. Is that everybody? Give your hands a. Okay. Unfortunately, that's not the activity. Some of you are like, oh my gosh. Okay, now, here's the deal. You have some balanced Bugliris, just like this, okay? Now, the trick is that one of you is going to be the Bugliri getter, and the other one's going to be the Bugliri communicator. So in other words, basically it's going to look like this. If Brooks and I were partners, basically if I was to go in, he's going to have to guide me because I'm closing my eyes, and he's going to have to guide me to the point of picking up my Bugliri, picking it up, and then taking it back. Now, here's the thing. Again, I'm going to put it so boldly as to say this, okay? A child did not get in his home if it bounces and touches the table, okay? We're going to put it, so basically we are rescuing children from the system and putting them in their proper, good home, okay? So we're going to, is that a good term? Is that a good way to do it? Okay? So you have a nest of messiness. How to get in there and make it unmessy. Pick one up. So it doesn't matter how many people are in the circle. So I can have 6 in here if I want to. But if you're in the circle, you have to be blindfolded. And your partner has to be communicating with you on which one to get, pick it up, and then take it out. Once you step back safely, then you can uncover your eyes. Now, partner, as they're coming backwards, even though this is a rope and it's on the ground, if you have some good heels and stuff, it does kind of tend to kind of click. I don't want you to trip, that kind of thing. So, here's the deal. Your role, okay, your role is to be a moderator, and you can be in or out at any time that you want. Now, if you can be in and out anytime you want, you can help, you can guide, you can do whatever. But if you're the only one that can come in with their eyes open, the only thing you can't do is actually grab the person's hand and forcibly move it here to grab one. And you personally cannot grab one at all. But you can be in and out, guiding, assisting, anytime you want. Okay?
People inside can talk.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Good question. You can be anywhere. You can be anywhere around the circle you want. Just don't be in the circle if you're talking.
And we didn't have to remember which one was ours.
No, you're just grabbing one. No, you're just grabbing one. By the way, you have 15 minutes to do this activity.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.